U.S. stocks are flat this Wednesday as traders continue to deal with the apparent progress in U.S. fiscal stimulus talks as well as disappointing data. Now, first, congressional leaders closing in on a $900 billion rescue deal that would include a new round of direct payments to U.S. consumers. Sentiment, however, kept in check by a larger-than-expected drop in U.S. retail sales figures. The Commerce Department said retail sales fell by 1.1% in November. Economists expected a decline of just 0.3%. Meanwhile, taking a look now at the Forex market, the euro-dollar is where we begin. That sees the bias remain bullish, and that remains in focus. The pair breaking above a declining intraday trend line and standing above its 20 and 50 period moving averages. Long positions above 121.65 are favored with targets at 122.15 and 122.40 in extension. The British pound US dollar pair sees the bias remain bullish, while the dollar yen that sees a rebound. Now the Bitcoin dollar intraday sees the relative strength index happens to be overbought. 19,897 is the pivot point, while over in precious metals, gold is under pressure as gold is pulling back on its 50 period moving average, but trading below the key resistance at 1865.50. Short positions below 1865.50 are favored with targets at 1849 and 1841.75 in extension. This while silver intraday has its aim at 24.70 a troy ounce. Don't forget to follow Trading Central on Twitter and other social media networks for all of your Forex market updates. And for Trading Central Web TV on this Wednesday afternoon, I'm James Swinney.